In this video, I'm going to discuss insurance for your pet waste removal business. So many poop scoopers don't realize the importance of insurance and the many different coverages that are available and should be using. So in this video, I'm going to discuss 4 standard coverages that are found inside of a general liability policy and how they could benefit you and your poop scooping business. And then I'm going to give you my recommendation on where you could go to get the best pet waste removal business insurance. First and foremost, the first coverage found inside of a general liability policy is going to be third-party bodily injury. So let's say that you're hired to do some poop scooping in the backyard of one of your customers' homes, and one of your customers comes out to bring you a bottle of water, and on the way they trip on one of your rakes, fall, and injure their elbow, and that injury puts them out of their job. Since you have general liability insurance, you would not have to pay anything out of pocket, and it could help to cover your customers' lost wages. Next is going to be property damage. So imagine that one of your customers' dogs accidentally escapes a yard while you're servicing them and becomes injured, or worse, gets killed, and your customer demands compensation for their pain and suffering. If you don't have insurance, you could have to pay for these damages, all these damages, out of pocket. Next is going to be legal defense. So even if you do everything right in your business, you're still vulnerable to unfounded claims. If a customer files a claim against your business, you're still held liable for defense costs. You're still held liable to pay for defense costs. So let's say that a customer accuses you of ruining their yard and garden, and when their home was on the market for sale, it sold less than what it could have sold for because your work caused their property value to decrease, and they sue you for the difference that they think that their home sold for and the home selling price. Now, you know that you did a great job and this has never happened to you before, but you're gonna need to hire a lawyer to prove it. So having general liability allows you to have access to a lawyer so you don't have to pay for a lawyer out of pocket. Last is going to be medical expenses. So let's go back to that customer with the hurt elbow. And let's say that they're going to need a surgery, and it looks like it's going to be expensive, and you're on the hook for the copay, and it's going to be a costly operation. Since you have general liability, you avoid paying any medical expenses out of pocket. Now that you know the 4 coverages that are found inside of a general liability policy, how they benefit you and your business, I promised that I would give you my best recommendation on where you could go to get the best pet waste removal business insurance. And the next steps to coverage is as simple as a few clicks below.